Hi, guys. This is Mr. Schaffner. Today we're going to be discussing 1.4. I can solve word problems involving integers, and we're going to be talking about question number 4. Question number 4 says, in which of these situations would the answer to the question be 0? So we're looking for some zero pairs here. A says that Teddy jumped into a pool from a diving board 8 feet above the water. He sank 8 feet and then swam straight up to the surface of the water. So if he jumped down, this would be -8. He sank, that would be -8. And he swam to the surface, so that would be +8. Well, these would be a zero pair, but I still have a -8 over here. So that is not going to create a zero pair. It is not A. B, Jerry left his house and walked 1.5 miles directly west. Then he walked 1.5 miles directly east. At this point, how many miles is Jerry from his house? So if this is Jerry's house, Jerry's going to walk 1.5 miles west. And then it says Jerry's going to walk back 1.5 miles east. At this point, how many miles is Jerry from his house? Jerry is back home. So he is 0 miles from his house. This is our zero pair, so it's got to be B. C, a trail begins at an elevation of -50 feet. The trail ends at an elevation of 50 feet. By how many feet does the elevation of the trail change from beginning to end? So if this is my mountain, and I begin at -50, and I end at +50, I have traveled 100 feet. So it is not C. So we're looking at D. Says the low temperature one day was -3 degrees Celsius. So again, vertical number line. So this is -3. The high temperature that day was 3 degrees Celsius. So this is +3. What is the difference between the low and the high temperature that day? Well, this is 3 plus 3, and that's going to be 6 degrees. So it is not D. So we are talking about B. And I know that we talked about distance can never be negative, but it doesn't say distance. It says how many miles from Jerry's house, and he is 0 miles from his house. So now that you have the skills to solve number 4, go give number 4 a try. Good luck.